Welcome to the lesson, Introduction to Matter, where you'll explore what matter is and how some of matter's properties can be measured. The vocabulary words for this lesson are matter, weight, density, mass, and volume. Click each word to learn more about it. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Not everything is made of matter. Can you think of anything that is not made of matter? How about this lightning? Is this matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Click each image to explore this further. Things made of matter have both mass and volume. You can measure mass and volume using different tools and methods. You can measure mass with a balance to find the amount of matter in the object. You can measure weight with a scale. Weight is a measure of the pull of gravity on an object. Volume is the amount of three-dimensional space that an object occupies. Sometimes you can measure volume with just a ruler. Other times you have to use special techniques to find volume. The volume of a rectangular solid can be calculated by multiplying its dimensions, length by width by height. Use the grid to help determine the volume of the four rectangular solids. Each square on the grid is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Well done! Volume equals length times width times height. As you have seen, it's easy to measure volume when an object has a simple shape. But how do you measure the volume of an irregular solid, such as a toy dinosaur or a rock? Click each image to find out. Add a known volume of liquid to a graduated cylinder or a beaker. Add the irregular object. Notice that the height of the liquid in the beaker increased. The object displaced some of the water and increased the total volume in the beaker. The displacement lets you find the volume of the object. Find the displaced volume by subtracting the old volume from the new volume. The difference is the volume of the irregular solid. Very clever technique, don't you think? Mass and weight are different properties of matter. How do we know that they are different? Click to see what happens to the mass and weight of an astronaut as the space shuttle moves farther from Earth. As the shuttle's distance from Earth increases, the astronaut's mass stays the same, but his or her weight decreases. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity on an object. Gravity depends partly on the distance between objects. As the space shuttle moves farther from Earth, the force of gravity on the shuttle and the astronauts inside decreases. So as the shuttle's distance from Earth increases, the astronauts' weight decreases. However, the astronaut's mass doesn't change because the amount of matter in the astronaut doesn't change. What is density? Density is how much mass a substance has for its volume. Density equals mass divided by volume. If you know any two of these measurements, you can figure out the third. Mass equals density times volume. Volume equals mass divided by density. 1 milliliter ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter cm3. This is an important conversion to remember when measuring the volume of a solid using water displacement. The mass of this rock is 27.5 grams. Its volume is 5 cubic centimeters. Therefore, its density is 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. What is the density of this object? Click your answer. That's right. Density equals mass divided by volume. 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. Which of these statements are true about density? Click your answers. That's right.